In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change speech recognition language on Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the interface and how to adjust the settings so your voice experience feels natural and comfortable. First, make sure you're signed in to your Perplexity account in a modern browser or the latest version of the app. A stable internet connection and a working microphone are essential, and if you're prompted for mic permissions, allow them so voice features work properly. From your main Perplexity screen, look for the option to launch voice. It may appear as a microphone icon or a button labeled Launch Voice. Go ahead and click that. This opens the dedicated voice interface, which is where Perplexity listens to you, transcribes your speech, and responds out loud. Once you're in the voice interface, open Settings. You'll typically find a gear icon near the corner of the voice panel. Clicking this gives you access to all the controls that shape how speech is recognized and how responses sound. Inside Settings, select Voice Style. This section is where you personalize the voice experience. You can choose the tone and delivery that best match your preferences, whether that's a calm, neutral voice or something a bit more energetic. While you're here, take a moment to explore any additional options within this panel. In some versions, language and input preferences are grouped alongside voice style. If you see a language selector, switch it to the language you want Perplexity to recognize. If no language toggle appears, Perplexity may automatically follow your device or browser language, so double-check those settings if the recognition language isn't what you expect. After choosing the voice style you prefer, confirm or save your changes if prompted. A quick way to validate everything is set correctly is to close the settings panel and try a short voice prompt. Speak naturally in the language you intend to use and watch the live transcription. If the words appear correctly, you're good to go. If not, return to settings and verify the options in the voice style panel or adjust your system language so Perplexity picks up the correct input language. That's it. Open your account, launch voice, head to settings, choose voice style, and select the preferences that align with how you want to speak and be heard. With these adjustments, your conversations with Perplexity will feel smoother, clearer, and more personalized.